Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 5 latest defense updates. Number 1, Indian partner for the AMCA program. India's ambitious plans for its 5th generation advanced medium combat aircraft program take a significant step forward with the hunt for an Indian development partner. Sources close to the program reveal that the Defense Research and Development Organization's gas turbine research establishment is actively counting foreign collaboration. Next, warships with loitering munition and anti-drone system. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh emphasized the growing threat posed by drones in modern warfare during a meeting with the Indian Navy's top brass on Tuesday. He urged the Navy to prioritize preparedness to counter such challenges. This call to action comes amidst the Navy's ongoing efforts to integrate drone capabilities into its operations. The planned incorporation of loitering munition on front-line warships signifies a strategic move towards long-range engagement of sea-based targets. Next, Vajra Air Defenders sharpen skills with Akash Missile. The Indian Army's Western Command, spearheaded by its valiant Vajra Air Defense warriors, recently conducted a successful live-fire exercise involving the Akash Missile system. This exercise served to demonstrate and validate the system's effectiveness against modern aerial threats. The live firing focused on simulating real-world scenarios, especially honing the ability to engage unmanned aerial vehicles and standoff weapons with pinpoint accuracy. Next, Tariq smart weapons to offer to India for local production amidst LCA Tejas integration. Edge Group (EDGE), a leading UAE-based technology and defense company, has expressed its interest in collaborating with India on the production of its Tariq smart weapons. This move signifies a potential boost to India's indigenous defense capabilities. Edge Group's Managing Director and CEO Hamad Al-Marar has proposed the transfer of Tariq technology to India, enabling local production by Bharat Dynamics Limited. The collaboration could lead to significant benefits for both countries. Next, China unveiled new heavy attack helicopter challenging the Apache's dominance. China has unveiled a new heavy attack helicopter design signifying its growing ambition in the attack helicopter domain. The helicopter bears a resemblance to the well-established AH-64 Apache, raising questions about potential inspiration and capabilities. The new Chinese helicopter shares some visual similarities with the American AH-64 Apache, particularly in its overall layout and tandem cockpit configuration. Thank you.